You guys, look what I have. The Estee Lauder Pink Ribbon Lip Kit for 2022. I'm obsessed with this little bag. And then inside are 5 little mini lippies. Let me show you. Oh my god, they're so cute. They're really, really adorable. Sell out every year. It's just the way it is. That's how it comes, all boxed up. Let's try them out. I don't know what the colors are. First color is Daring Pink. These are in no particular order. So I'm actually gonna take this off because I don't want to get makeup on it. So let's see what the first color, and I will swatch them. This is Daring Pink. That's really pretty. I have on a lip liner. This one is Estee Lauder's Rose. So let's try this one. Oh, okay. Ooh, very orangey, perfect. Oh, this would look great with what I'm wearing today. Okay. Oh, I like that. I didn't think I liked it doing the swatch. I was like, ooh, that's kind of orange. It looks really pretty. You and I are looking at these for the first time together. I haven't seen them. I haven't taken a peek. I have no clue what colors that are in here. So what I do know is I'm probably wearing that one today. Next one is Anniversary Pink. So this is their 30th year. Ooh, wow, this is really pink. Look at that. So pretty, pretty, pretty. Pink, pink. This is like... Oof, that is a gorgeous pink. Anniversary Pink. Next one is Dream Pink. None of these are colors that I have seen. Oh, okay. That one is like Barbie doll pink. Dream Pink. Ooh. That is a very neon Dream Pink. The next one is Blushing Pink. We have got every shade of pink. Blushing Pink. Right here. Oh, that's really pretty. Blushing Pink. Okay, and the last one is from the High Luster collection, High Luster formula, and it's Pink Ribbon. Oh, let me swatch. All right, Pink Ribbon. It's right there at the end. Right here. Ooh, this one would be pretty today too. Stick with this one today. Pink Ribbon. Ooh. That's a really pretty color. All right, y'all. Well, that is the video and the colors on the Estee Lauder 30th Anniversary Breast Cancer Awareness Lip Kit. Oh, these colors are gorgeous. And you get 5 of the little mini colors and that adorable little bag. Great for a gift, great for yourself, or anyone that you know that has fought breast cancer or is going through breast cancer. I will tell you that it will sell out, so be sure to get it if that's something you want. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.